Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in the last class we have started with the topic that is trigonometric functions. Already in the 10th standard you had learnt a lot of the basic related to our trigonometric ratios, angles, okay. All these things you had learnt in the 10th standard. Now in this particular session, that is in the first PUC, so already in the last class we had learnt about the angles and their measurement. So angles and their measurement, that means there are two types of the angles, okay. That is measurement of angles, there are two types. One is the degree measure and one is the radian measure, okay. One is the degree measure. Degree measure means we are denoted by theta degrees, and radian measure means I write it as theta to the power of c, okay. That is in terms of radian. Here we are having one relation between these two, okay, that is between theta and the radian. So now what it is, the relation is very simple, that is 1 degree, okay, 1 degree is equal to 2 pi radian, okay, or else 360, that is nothing but here 1 degree is equal to pi radian, or 180 degrees here, 180 degree is equal to pi radian, that is actually 360 degree equal to 2 pi. Okay, that is 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. That means one complete revolution, okay, one complete revolution, okay, it is nothing but our 360 degrees. That is 1 divided by 360th of the degree here, okay. This is our, okay, if this manner we are dividing, if we are dividing the circle into 360 parts, this particular one, okay, one division, that is 1 by 360th, that is nothing but our 1 degree we are defining. In the same manner, radian means one whole complete radian, okay, one whole complete revolution, that is nothing but 2 pi radian. That is a relation here. That means here 180 degrees is equal to pi degree is equal to pi radian, I can tell here, pi radian. Andre 1 degree, okay, 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 radian ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, okay. What we have, that is 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. That is nothing but our required formula. Now we shall start with the problems related to our exercise number 3.1. Very simple problem we shall start here, okay, fine. The first question is very simple, that is convert the following from degree to radian measure, okay. The first one is 25 degrees, okay. What he has given, 25 degrees he had given. Now how to convert? 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 radian. That implies here 25 degree is equal to, okay, 25 into pi divided by 180, okay. What we can write here, 25 into pi divided by 180. Now easily you can solve it. That is nothing but 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 3 is remaining, 5 6 are. So what we get here, 5 pi by 36, that is nothing but here radian. 5 pi by 36 radian, I can tell. You can denote it by this manner, or simply you can write it as radian ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, okay. Next one, that is the second one, that is 240 degrees, okay. How to solve this? 240, now again same as it is, radian means 240 into, okay, 240 into what you can write, pi divided by 180 radian, okay. I can tell radian. Now it is a degree, okay, it has been converted to radian by multiplying it by pi by 180. Now here 0 get eliminates, so what I can do here, that is we can multiply it by, that is 2 12s are 2 9s are. So what we get here, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So what we get, the value is 4 pi by 3 radian, okay. Or you can also write it as 4 pi by 3 to the power of c also you can write here. That is nothing but our degree to radian. Next one, third one, we shall start with very simple thing. The third one is 520 degrees. Same as it is, 520 means into pi divided by 180, okay. So pi by 180, now here 0 get eliminates, okay. Now you have to cancel it. So what we get here, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. So what we get here, that is nothing but 26 pi divided by 9 radian, or simply you can write it by symbol here, okay. That is nothing but our required result. Now the fourth one, little bit simple we shall take now. That is nothing but, now if suppose only in terms of degrees he had given, we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, okay, and 1 minute is equal to how much we have, 60 seconds. If suppose he had given in terms of degrees, minutes and second he has given, how to solve it, that we shall observe now. That is, the example is, that is 40 degrees and 20 minutes here. 40 degrees, 20 minutes. You have to convert this whole into, that is radian. To convert this, compulsory everything should be in terms of degrees only. Okay. So how to solve it? For example here, 40 degrees, 20 minutes. That is nothing but here 40 degrees plus 20 minutes also I can write here. 40 degrees plus again above from that it is 20 minutes here. Now here minutes to degrees I will convert. How to convert? Now see here, 1 minute, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute here. Okay, that means here 1 minute, or 1 minute is equal to how much degree? That is nothing but 1 divided by 60 here, 1 divided by 60. So therefore, to convert this part into degrees, what we have to do here is, that is 40 degrees plus 20 divided by 60 we have to perform, then only it gets converted into degrees. Observe here, it is 20. If I divide it by 60, it will get here, that is nothing but degrees we get. Now you can just eliminate, that is here 2 ones are 2 3s are. So what we get here, which is equal to 40 degrees 1 by 3 degree, plus you can write, or else directly you can write. Now you can take the LCM here, 40 degrees into 1 by 3 also write it in terms of mixed fractions. Okay, mixed fraction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 40 into 1 by 3 degrees ಅಂತಾನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, mixed fraction form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. But here just I will multiply. So what we get, 4 3s are 12. That is 120 plus 1 divided by 3 degrees, which is equal to 121 by 3. What it is? Degrees. Now what we got here? ಈ minutes ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. Okay, now the main thing is, here I had increased the steps here, or else apart from the directly can write down the step, and directly can take the LCM and write down the answer here. Now here just what we got degrees here. What is the main intention? Convert the following degree to radian measure. That means I have to multiply it by pi divided by 180 na multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, that implies here 121 by 3 degrees, okay, into radian means pi divided by 180 radian. Okay, pi divided by 180 radian. So what we get here, that is 121 pi, okay, that is 121 pi divided by 180 into 3, that is 0, 24, here 3 ones are 3, 4, 5, that is 540 radian. Okay, that is your required result. Very very simple and easy result. Now one more question we shall observe here, fifth one, that is 47 degrees minus of and 30 minutes. 47 degrees and 30 minutes. Now how we have to solve it? Now here also same as it is, I will take minus sign outside. Okay, 47 degrees plus 30 minutes I can write here. Now the same procedure I have to carry on, that is 40 plus divided by 60. For what? To convert this minute into degrees here, divided by 60 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, which is equal to minus of 47 degrees plus 30 divided by 60 degrees. Now here divided by 60 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now here what we get, 2s are, which is equal to minus of 47, okay, degrees plus 1 by 2 here. Now here you can take the LCM here. So what we get here, minus of, okay, so what we have, 14, okay, so here 1 2 4 8 9 94, okay, 94 plus 1 divided by 2 degrees. Now what we get, minus of 95 divided by 2, okay, degrees. Now here we have to complete, we have to, okay, this is one part, we have to convert this into radian. Converting into radian ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈಗ, pi divided by 180 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತಿಲ್ಲ. That implies here 95 divided by 2, okay, into pi divided by 180, okay, minus I will write, that is radians. okay, radians. So now what we get here, you can just multiply it. So what is the value? Minus 95 pi divided by 360, or else you can still more eliminate, that is 5 ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 5 1s are 5, next here 45, 9 5s are 45 here, then 5 here, 5 5s are 6, 7 5s are 35 here, on 5 2s are. So what we get here, minus 19 pi divided by 72 we are getting here. That is nothing but our required result here. Okay dear students, this is all about what? This is all about converting the degree into radian measure. What it is? It is nothing but the angle. Angle ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Now we had learnt about degree to radian. Now in the next session we shall learn from a radian to degree plot. So before going to that, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear students, now let us move on to the next question. The next question is, convert the following from the radian to degree measure. Now how we have to solve this one? It is a very simple thing. So before going to that, we shall learn about the basics. What is that? 180 degrees, or here 2 pi radian. Radian is equal to how much it is? 360 degrees. Okay, that is one complete revolution we are talking. Then pi radian, okay, pi radian is equal to what it is? 1, divide both sides by 2, 180 degrees. So therefore 1, okay, 1 radian. So what we get? 1 radian means what it is? 1 radian. So here what we get? 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degrees. 1 radian is equal to pi divided by 180 by pi radians. That is divided by pi on both the sides I am making here. Now what is the value for pi here? That also we should know. That is pi value where pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. The value for pi is 22 by 7. That also we should know here. Now let us start with the example. The first example, convert the following from radian to degree measure. The first one is 5 pi by 3 radian. Okay, the question is very simple. Just we have to multiply it by radian ada degrees convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 180 by pi multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. The problem is over. Why? Because 1 radian is equal to this much degrees. This much radian is equal to how many degrees means we have to multiply it by that. So what we get here? We know that always we have to write this formula. We know that 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, that is 5 pi by 3 into 180 divided by pi. Now it is degrees. Okay, here pi get eliminates and easily you can write down. That is nothing but 50, 8 5s are 45. Okay, then here 5 1s are 5 plus 9, that is 950 divided by 3. Okay, degrees. That is your required result. Very simple. Now the second one, what we have here? 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 radian. Okay, 7 pi by 6. How we require to solve? That is convert into degree to radians. So what we have here? That is 7 pi by 6 into 180 divided by pi here. 180 by pi andre pi get eliminates here. That is in terms of degrees. Okay, now here 7 into 180 divided by 6. So before going to that, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 0, 90 into 7. So what we get here? 63, that is 630 divided by 3. Okay, that is 3 degrees. And again we can solve. 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9 here, and 3 0, that is 30. 210 degrees, or 210 to the power of 0. That is nothing but degrees, writing in terms of degrees here. Okay, next one, third one. Very simple problems we are going to start here. The third one is very simple. That is, only we shall take here 6 radians equal to how many degrees? Pay attention while solving this. It is a very simple example. Now here we know that 1 radian is equal to how much? 180 divided by pi. So therefore 6 radian is equal to 6 into 180 divided by pi degrees. But here we have to substitute the value for pi here. Okay, so what we get here, which is equal to 6 into 180 divided by 22 by 7. Okay, which is equal to 6 into 180 into 7 divided by 22. Now you can divide it by 2 here, that is a 2 11s are here, and here 2 how much are, that is nothing but, or else you can take here 2 3s are 6. Okay, I will write 180 as it is. Now what is the value here, we shall examine here, that is nothing but here 0. Okay, then what we get here, 8 3s are 24, 2 here, that 2 3 1s are, that is 540 into 7 divided by 11. Now just we'll multiply, that is 700, then 7 4s are 28, that is 8 here 2 7 5s are 35 37, 3780 divided by 11 here. But here one more thing is, always a degrees we can't keep in decimal points. ಅಂದರೆ 1.3 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಷನ್ಪ್ಪ, ನಮಗಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour means here I can write as 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, 1.5 hour, okay, or 1.25 hour, that is 1.5, that is nothing but here 1 hour, that is nothing but 15 minutes. In that manner we have to write here. So therefore here we can't write in this particular formation. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳು. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಫ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 3780 divided by 11. So here 11 3s are, I think so it is 33. Then here 48, 11 4s are 44, remaining is 40, and here 340, that again it is 3s are 33, the value we get 7. Okay, remainder is 7 here. That means the same value I can write as quotient, that is 343 plus remainder by divisor. Remainder means what we have, 7 divided by 11, that is nothing but in terms of degrees here. Okay, in terms of degrees. Okay, so that is by nothing but the division algorithm. Okay, so what it is, quotient plus remainder by divisor, quotient plus remainder by divisor. Okay, that is a formula what we had learned in the high school sessions. Now here, okay, so here this particular thing, that is nothing but here 343 degrees plus 7 by 11 degrees. Now here to convert this degree into minutes, so how, what we have to do, degree to minute convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದರ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವ ಸಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 343 degrees plus 7 into 60 divided by 11. Now it gets converts into minute here. Okay, minute. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ದೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 343 degrees plus, now you can multiply here. So what we have, 42 420 divided by 11 second minute. Now again it is in terms of decimal points here, decimal points ಬರತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ, 420 divided by 11. So 11 3s are what we have, 33, 7 8 9. So what we get here, 90 we get here. Okay, then 11 8s are what we have, 88, the value will be 2. So again this value I can write as 343 degrees plus quotient plus remainder by divisor. What is the quotient, 38. Okay, 38 plus remainder, remainder is nothing but 2 by 11. Okay, I am dividing it, or you can write in terms of mixed fraction, quotient plus remainder by divisor, just by dividing it. Okay, now here that is nothing but 343 degrees plus 38 minutes plus 2 by 11 minutes it is. Okay, now here this minute if you want to make into seconds, ಮಿನಿಟ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಂಟು 60 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೈ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಓಕೆ, 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್, 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 60 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 343 degrees plus 38 minute plus, okay, you can multiply it here, what we get, 120 divided by 11, 120 by 11 second. Now you can just multiply here. So what we get here, tens are, okay, that is nothing but here 120, that is nothing but 11, 11 tens are 110, we get the value for 10, that is 10.9 something we are getting. Okay, 10.9 something value we are getting, or 10.8. So here that is nothing but 343 degrees, okay, 38 minute plus what we have here, 10.8 something value we are having second. This particular I will round figure it. So what round figure means, what we get here, 343 degrees, 38 minute and 11 second approximately. Okay, that is nothing but our required result. So this problem is very simple and good problem also, and standard problem. So what we are doing here is very simple. It is, now since it is a degree, here the problem was over, but we should not write in terms of decimal points. So therefore what we are doing here is we have to divide it. Okay, we have to divide it, then we have to make use of the formula, that is quotient plus remainder by divisor, that is quotient plus remainder by divisor. That formula we had used here after dividing it, okay, it is in terms of degrees. Okay, then this particular degree, if I multiply it by 60, it get converts to the minute here. Why? Because 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, degree it is, in terms of minute means into 60 I have to multiply. The same manner here I am dividing it by 11 here, quotient plus remainder by divisor here, that is nothing but here 38 minute and 12 by 11 minute we are having into 60, because 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So therefore 2 by 11 minute is equal to into 60 means we'll get in terms of seconds here. Okay, then similarly you can solve the following here. Dear students, it is a very simple example. Now we shall learn the examples related to our, okay, that is arc length here. Till that, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us continue with the next problem here. Okay, fine. So already in the last class while learning about the radian measure, okay, while learning about the radian measure, we had learnt about one important thing. What is it? Let us take a circle of the radius r here, and we are having an arc length. Let us consider arc length here of the L units. Okay, R units, and here also L units here. Okay, then here the amount of rotation, okay, the amount of the rotation, that is nothing but with respect to the arc length here, okay, in the anti-clockwise direction, that is said to be as 1 radian, that is said to be as 1 radian I call it as an, okay, 1 radian. While discussing about the radian we are done. So if we consider it as an angle theta here, if we consider it as an angle theta, that is theta is equal to, according to definition, that is nothing but we have L by R. So here theta, it is nothing but in terms of radians. Okay, this is a very important thing we have to remember, that is theta, which is nothing but here L by R, where L is nothing but here arc length, and here R is nothing but radius. And here one more thing important is both should be in the same unit. Same unit means whether it should be centimeter, then meter, whatever it is, it should be of same unit. So now we shall learn about the formulas here, that is problems we shall learn here. The first one, a wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. So here what is the first given data? Revolutions in 1 minute. Revolutions in 1 minute. 1 minute, which is nothing but here 360. 1 minute is equal to 360 revolutions here. Okay, one thing, given data. Then through how many radians, okay, does it turn in 1 second? Okay, 1 second. That means here in 1 second. Okay, so here revolution in 1 second. So revolution in 1 second means what we have, 360 divided by 60 here. Why? Because seconds to minutes we have to divide it. Okay, seconds to minutes andre ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So here what we get 6, that is nothing but 6 okay revolutions. So what we got here, 6 revolutions for 1 second is equal to 6 revolution. ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತು. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. How many radians it does it have? We know that, okay, we know that one revolution is equal to 2 pi radian. Okay, we know that one revolution is equal to how many radians? 2 pi radians. So therefore 6 revolutions is equal to 6 into 2 pi, which is equal to 12 pi radians. Okay, that is nothing but our required result. If you want, you can substitute pi is equal to 22 by 7 and you can write down the radians, since it is nothing but our in terms of angle in terms of radians here. That is the first question. Now in the second question, what he has given, find the radius of the circle in which the central angle of 60 degrees. What he has given, angle is given, theta he has given, in terms of degree he has given, okay, intercepts an arc length of 37.4 centimeter he has given. We already know that, theta in terms of radians is equal to L by R, where L is nothing but what it is, L is nothing but here arc length. And what do you mean by R here? Radius. Now what he is asking is, okay, find the radius he is asking. He is asking you R, intercept an arc length he has given, okay, arc length that is 37.4 centimeter he has given for the L here. Theta is also given. What is the theta here? Here in terms of radian it is formula, but he has given in terms of degrees, that is nothing but here 360 degrees he has provided. So now what we can do, given angle theta is equal to 60 degrees. Now we have to convert in radians, okay, convert into radian. Okay, how we have to convert into radian? That is nothing but 1 degree is equal to, okay, so what we have, pi divided by 180 radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180, that you substitute, that is theta radian is equal to 60 into pi divided by 180. So 0 0, what we get, 6 3s are, so what we have here, pi by 3 radian. So 60 degrees is equal to pi by 3 radian. We got one thing, okay, we know that the formula, okay, theta is equal to L by R, that implies here R is equal to, that is nothing but L by theta in terms of radian, okay, by making use of formula here, that is I will write, we know that here. Now here L, what is the value for L, that also will substitute, R is equal to L that is nothing but 37.4, okay, centimeter divided by theta. Now what do you mean by theta value? That is nothing but here pi by 3, that is nothing but 37.4 divided by pi into 3, okay. Now what do you mean by pi here? 22 by 7, again that is nothing but 37.4 into 3 into 7 divided by 22. After calculating it, you will get the value as 35.4 centimeter I have to take. Why? Because both arc length and radius are of the same unit. So what we get here, 35.4 centimeter, that is nothing but your radius. Find the radius of the circle here. Very simple example here. Now, so here just we have to understand the question what he has given. According to formula we have to substitute here. Very simple it is. Now the next thing, the next question what he has given, find the degree measure of the angle, okay, subtended at the center of the circle of the radius, okay, given what he has given, radius is equal to 100 centimeter, okay, by an arc length of 20 centimeter, that is arc length that is L I will write, that is nothing but here 22 centimeter, here it is R here, okay, radius is nothing but here R is equal to 100. We know that, okay, we know that theta in terms of radian, that is nothing but L by R. So now theta in terms of radian, what is the L value? That is nothing but 22 divided by R, that is 100 here. Now here I can write as 2 11s are 250s are, that is nothing but here 11 by 50 value. It is in terms of what it is, radian, it is in terms of radian. But what I require is, find the degree measure I require here. Degree measure means here 1 degree is equal to 180 divided by pi radian, okay. So here, sorry, it is pi divided by, we know that 180 degrees is equal to pi radian, okay. So here that is nothing but here 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degrees. Why? Because I require here in terms of degrees, Now here how we have to solve it? That is nothing but here theta in terms of degrees is equal to 11 divided by 50 into 180 divided by pi here, 180 divided by pi. Now here what we get here, that is nothing but here just you have to multiply here. Okay, next here 11 into 18, here 5 into pi means what it is, 22 by 7, that is into 7 it gets. So ultimately after calculating it, you will get the value as, that is 12 degrees and 36 minutes after calculating. Okay, and you know how to calculate it. It is very simple. Okay, here we can observe that 2 9s are 18, 2 11s are 11 get eliminates here. Okay, 9 into 7 divided by 5, you divide it, quotient plus remainder by divisor, then afterwards you will get to 12 degrees plus some minutes. That also you convert into quotient plus remainder by divisor, then you can get your required answer here. Okay dear students, it is a very simple example related to our arc length here. Okay dear students, that is all about our exercise number 3.1 here. In the next class we shall start about the, before going to actual trigonometric functions, we shall start the basics related to our 10th standard. Till that, thank you.